What's going on, guys? Mikey Messina here with Mikey Daily Carry, and I got another unboxing from the good friends at Duxot. I actually just unboxed their Tiburon chronograph in the red, and today I got this new piece here. Take that off, open this up. Wow. Wow. Look at that, guys. This is the Marcel automatic. It's one of their new styles here. It gives me presidential day date vibes. If you can see that presidential type bracelet right there. And then you got your fluted bezel around the watch with a very nice fire brick red face there. This currently is going for $259, but they do have deals on there where you can get 20% off. I'll also have a link for this in the description of this video. Now, as always, these watches get sent to me for review. I did not purchase this myself, but you can find those links down below. This also does come in 10 other colors, which goes really fast on their site. But guys, take a look at the beautiful Marcel automatic watch right there. Now, the movement is a Japanese automatic 3 hands with date, and you have it magnified so that way you can get a better look of the date there. It is stainless steel, the case, including the bracelet, and it is 40 millimeters in size. The case thickness is 12 millimeters in size, and then from lug to lug, you're looking at 48 millimeters. Like I had stated, that dial color is fire brick red is what they call it. And then the index and lume. So there's applied index and lume with Japanese super luminous. Let's see if I can get a lume going on the hands here. I have a UV on my flashlight here, and then boom. I don't know if you can tell, but I've illuminated that green and the blue on the hands there. So that's really cool. It does come with a nice, durable, and strong sapphire lens. The crown type is a screw down crown type here. The band itself is that 21 millimeter stainless steel with fold over buckle, which is pretty standard with a lot of their Duxot watches. They have that fold over Duxot clasp right there, small logo. The water resistance on this watch is 10 ATM or 330 feet, and the overall weight is 200 grams. And as always, if you do decide to get this watch, wherever you are in the world, you get free shipping worldwide. You also have a 2-year warranty on this watch with a free 30-day return. I already know that I'm probably going to need some adjustments on this watch, but let's throw it on anyway, so that way we can take a look at how it looks like on the wrist. Shortly after this video, I'm going to adjust this watch to fit my wrist because I really like how that red pops out. Currently, I have my Apple Watch on, and this right here is the Mod Projects AP case, which I have on here. And so I'm going to throw this bad boy on. Any adjustments needed, of course. But that looks banging, guys. Take a look at that. I mean, once I get that all dialed in, that red is just going to pop. And I love the two-tone on that presidential style bracelet. That really pops as well. There you have it, folks. The Marcel by Duxot. I'll make sure I link it in the description of this video. Once again, I want to say thank you to Duxot for sending me this watch for review. I will catch you guys on the next one. But before I leave, let me know in the comments down below what you think of this watch. Smash, pass, would you buy it, why, or why not? I would love to know. Peace out, guys. Welcome.